Yeah. It's crazy, the way I'm doing 80 things, the way it seems I may be Rick Rubin, age of 3. Oh, you never know what rogue might sow with 500 tracks intertwined in Logic Pro. Just another night sesh with that brand new shit that I bet they gon' bite next. Next Richard Branson visions, flight test. My girl tells me that it's crazy, but life is. Doctor these beliefs, and it ceased to be stressing me out like an old fucking price check. With my checks and nights, and it's like I survived more than 9 to 5 deaths inside my own mind. It burns brighter than the old motherfucking shit like a light switch. That was just a metaphor when it ain't right. When I'm writing from the core, what excites me when I'm mic'd in. I'm barely ever sleeping. When I rest, I'm meditating unlimited. I'm feeling Bradley Cooper medicated. I'm ever waiting patient in this room for someone big to see. I'm knocking down the doors into fucking infinity. Back to now, I'm hatching out. In fact, I'm past just giving beats away for free when they should see a fucking slave to be. Doctor that they calling now, and all they wanna do is act it out. I'm smacking tracks from set it off to blacking out. And I don't mean that fucking shady beats I'm drinking lately, nah. I just mean after bullshit, I'm thinking straightly. Wavy beats making me crazy, man. Rogan now, let's save it.